I'm just going to talk to the camera. Just stay there. Stay there. Just stay there. Okay, I'm sorry. Ready? Shh. Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of T-Dog RC, and it's an exciting day because we are going to start the engine on the PC6. So without further ado, let's get stuck in.
Daddy, you're really funny.
Well, it works.
Yeah.
You ready? Okay guys, so just to summarise, pretty pleased with that. I've just put a temporary nose cone on, by the way, so that was the one that's on there. It's just the one that came with the kit. It's not a very good one. Got a 15x8 prop. That's the first time I've run this engine because I bought it from eBay, so I've not actually had it running before, but it pretty much started first time. The only issue I had with it was running a little bit too rich, so as soon as the glow driver went out, the engine cut out, but as soon as I leaned it off, that sorted that problem out. So needs a little bit more tuning, of course, so I'll get that done, probably maybe do that down at the field on the proper benches we've got down at the flying field, because it's a little bit easier to do that. But all in all, very satisfied with that. It's nice to have had the engine running, and I know that's all working. I know that the plumbing's all working and my fuel tank's all fine and all that sort of stuff, and of course that the glow driver works, because I've not used one of those before where it's an inbuilt one, so that worked great. So that wraps this video up. Obviously just a quick one just to show you the engine. If you ever enjoyed that and you're into fixed wing RC, whether it's Nitro, Balsa or foam, EDFs, FPV, all that sort of stuff, then you're going to want to subscribe. to the channel, and that would help me out massively if you could give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you soon for the next one.